Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Johnson's 2232 Premium DOT-3 brake fluid. Yeah, just to be honest, I'm not really a car buff or anything. I don't know a whole lot about cars. I pretty much know the basics. I can, do like I said, the basic stuff on a car, change the oil, change a tire and, basic stuff. But I am not the kind to actually, get in there and take apart, carburetors and stuff like that. I don't really do that. I get advised a lot by people on what are the good things to use cars for, because I don't like problems. I really don't. I was, since I've been driving and since I've taken care of myself as far as vehicles are concerned, I've been using regular brake fluid, just the normal kind. Not too long ago, well, actually it's about maybe 3 years ago, my uncle told me one day when he was over I should switch to a synthetic one. Actually, synthetic, and this particular one, synthetic DOT-3 brake fluid. And I was hesitant at first because to me synthetic meant like artificial, imitation or something like that. According to him, this works a lot better. Because I pretty much always, not always, but almost always take his advice when it comes to my car. And he just happened to be over one day when I was doing some maintenance. He told me that I needed to do that, and he swears that synthetic is better. So I was like, okay, down to the place, and I got this. I put this in there because the brake fluid needed. So first I flushed it out, the old one, and put this in. It works. It works very well. I don't have any issues with my brake. They brake really hard and everything, and that's all I really care about. Now, what I was concerned about when I first started using this is those same thoughts that I was thinking when I went to synthetic, that, oh, maybe it works great now, but maybe later it's going to, fail after a while or use up after a while, and I have to keep replenishing and there's something, But no. This does the job really well. I had no issues, and I've been using it for a while now. He was right. The synthetic is good. Synthetic is very good. And this particular kind, the Johnson's kind, synthetic DOT-3 brake fluid, it's very good. It made the car brake really nicely, very strong. I didn't have any issues with like having to pump the brake to actually, get air pockets or anything. It lubed it up really good, and the brakes are great, and it's due to this. And I guess he was right. I don't like to change things too much when things are going fine. I actually didn't have any issues with the brake fluid I was using before. At least I didn't think so. But I happened to notice that when I did use this instead, it seemed like my brakes were a little more, it might have been in my head, I'm not sure, but it just seemed a little more responsive to my pressure. So it just seemed like maybe a little thicker, I don't know. It worked very well. Now this is all I use. Granted, you're not really, changing brake fluid all the time, just every now and then, few times. Every time I use it, I have no problem. Everything works out very well. And I'm glad for that. My brakes seem very happy also. I'm not sure how long synthetic brake fluid has been around. I wish I had known about it earlier, But like I said, I didn't have any issues that I thought of with the old brake fluid that I used to use, but who knows? Maybe I just didn't know it. But this was good. I'm glad I started using it. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Johnson's 2232 Premium DOT-3 brake fluid. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.